Okay, let's take a step back and look at the solution architecture on AWS to run jobs. So we have different strategies, and I just want to discuss the trade-offs. So strategy one is to provision an EC2 instance. It's going to be long running, and then on the EC2 instance, you can define cron jobs to run scripts at regular intervals. That works. It's great. It's not very highly available, not fault tolerant. It doesn't scale really well. It's hard to monitor, but it is a very simple and straightforward option. Option number two would be to something using serverless technologies. So CloudWatch events that will be creating events on a different schedule, and Lambda function that would be invoked by CloudWatch events that respond to this schedule. So this also works great, and it has more visibility. I think it's more scalable. Also, we are a bit limited in terms of the runtime. So we can only use the Lambda runtime, but it works great. And I think the exam will push you to I think the exam will push you to use something serverless whenever you have cron jobs. Then we have this kind of reactive workflows. So with cron schedule, we are scheduling stuff every 5 minutes or every 1 hour or every Tuesday at 2 p.m. But it's possible that we are launching this job too late, and therefore we may want to have a more reactive workflow, which means that we are going to react to events happening in our architecture and do things right away. So for this, the source of your events may be something like CloudWatch events, in case something happens within your infra architecture, and story events for objects inserted into your history bucket, for example, API gateway to invoke directly a Lambda function, SQS or SNS receive, basically anything that creates events in your architecture, and you want to react to it. Turning it up with the Lambda would be a great solution. Strategy number 4 maybe use strategy number 4 would be to use AWS batch, so either for your cron jobs or to create or react to your architecture. So CloudWatch events can create events and send this to a batch jobs query or onto the cron basis, on whatever event basis. The batch is going to be a bit more flexible because we can do long running jobs on batch. We can use Docker containers, so we have any runtime accessible to us, and we can use managed compute environments to have a mix of spot instances or limit instances. And we are also have seen that the option to use multi-node in batch to perform some batch computation across many instances and coordination between them. Okay, strategy 5, maybe we don't want to manage any infrastructure and we want to have Docker containers. So we can use Fargate containing that and have CloudWatch events invoke Fargate jobs. And number 6, we have seen can use EMR, Elastic MapReduce. This is when maybe we'll want to use some big data technologies, and we have to make way from our on-premise to the cloud. Maybe EMR with a transient cluster or long learning cluster would be a great way to run some more advanced big data oriented jobs. So what I wanted to show you here is that there is not only one way of doing something in AWS. Again, the choice of technology really depends on the requirements and the constants. As you can see, there's many ways to achieve the same thing. The question is, should you use one of these 6 strategies or even more when we see it in the next lecture of Redshift, Athena and so on. But the idea here is I want to educate you to like the idea that based on the requirements you have, you are going to get time requirements, high energy requirements, data processing requirements, and infrastructure requirements. You will be steered towards one of these, for example, 6 strategies. Okay, so that's it, and I will see you in the next lecture.